क्या आपके पार्टनर भी सोते हुए कट 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 करते हैं? Or maybe you do it? That's not just weird. That's called teeth grinding. And listen, it's not just about jaw pain or headaches. Chronic grinding can actually age your face faster, your teeth shorten, your smile loses shape, and that fresh look gone over time. Most people don't even realize it till they see their old photos. So if you wake up with a tight jaw or a dull ache, please don't ignore it. Ask your dentist about her night guard, manage your stress, and get a quick check-in. Your smile and your partner's sleep will thank you. Save this if you know someone who goes cut at night, and tell them it's time for a dentist visit.